Dear brothers and sisters, Helen Keller was blind, deaf, and dumb. One day as a child, she climbed a tree and waited in its branches while her teacher went to the house to bring the picnic lunch. Suddenly the wind started blowing fiercely. The tree began to bend and sway its branches violently. Helen wrote in her autobiography, "I crouched down in the fork of the tree. The branches lashed about me. And just as I was thinking that the tree and I should fall together, my teacher seized my hand and helped me down. I clung to her, trembling with joy." Now, this story illustrates the kind of fear which gripped the apostles during the storm. It also helps us appreciate their peace and joy when Jesus stilled the storm. Through this event, Jesus teaches the disciples an important lesson about faith and trust in God. He is the Lord of the universe, of nature. He could calm down the violent storm and calm down the waves. So in our daily lives too, we too face many storms. Sometimes we may feel that God is silent or far away, just as the disciples felt when Jesus was sleeping in the boat. Many times we fail to recognize God in our life. But in the gospel reminds us that the Lord is always with us. Even when we do not immediately see His action, He remains present and cares for us. What He asks from us is faith, a faith that trusts in His power and love. When we place our lives in God's hands, He can calm the storms in our hearts and fill us with peace. Lord, when the wind grows violent and when the waves threaten to engulf us, stand up in our boat and say, "Be still."